Hey guys, how's it going? Preston here with Big Loops and Lever Guns. Out here again with the 1894 CSBL by Marlin. It's in 357 mag and 38 special. I just wanted to share with you guys the most affordable ammo that I was able to find in stores. And that's at Sportsman's Warehouse. They sell some RWS copper matrix. These are about $14 a box for 50. The cheapest I've been able to find. So today we're going to load them up, see how they cycle, see how they run, see if there's any issues with them, and this could be the fun Sunday afternoon ammo to shoot all day. So real quick, we're going to take a few shots. Alright, we're going to load a few of these up, see how they load. Oh, spitting back out at me. Let's see, 2. Again, I've got the Ranger Point Precision loading gate. Seems to be loading just fine. Let's see, I can't remember if that was 7 or 8. I guess that was 8. So 8 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. There's a slight little hang up right there, so we'll see how it goes. So I've got 8 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. Marlin just recently updated that. Let's see how they run. I've got a couple Coca-Cola cans downrange, some at 15 yards and another at 27. So see how she does. So had a few little hang-ups right there. I'm going to see if it's not me or if it's just the ammo. We'll check the spent casings here in just a minute. Okay, that must be 8. There we go. Just good measure. Oh, not as good as a shot as I thought I was. Load up a few more. That time I didn't have any problem cycling. I've got my my little Kimber, not my gun, but my dog out here, trying to get her used to the gunfire. She's she's back underneath my wheel well right now in my car. She seemed okay with it yesterday when I was firing the 45-70. Today, multiple shots, she didn't like that. Man, I keep losing count. Man, that is one flat shooting gun. It's really quick. I don't think there's a place that I go without this gun now in my car. I don't even hardly carry an AR-15 in my car anymore. this is my go-to. So that's just a quickie review, I guess, on this ammo. It's $14 a box and some change. Seemed to cycle just fine. I'll be doing some more testing on it, and if I find any issues with it, I'll definitely throw out another video. But it seems to be working just fine, and it's just 100 grain 38 special, 50 rounds in the box, $14. Can't beat that. That's the cheapest I can find, other than through some of my ammo manufacturers. Which, if you guys want a little bit cheaper prices on 4570 and 357, make sure to join the Facebook page, Big Loops and Lever Guns group page. I do have some exclusive deals from some ammo manufacturers on there that is slightly cheaper even than this box of rounds here. So 438 special and 4570, we've got some pretty good prices. So go over there, join us on there. Remember to like this video, throw some comments down below. Also like us on Instagram. We've got a lot of photos over there of the Big Loops and Lever Guns girls. And we're constantly uploading content. So thanks for watching. See you guys.